All right, so what we have here is we have this small upper roof up there. It's about 4 feet wide. And that roof used to have a gutter right there that went to the right and went down into the corner and came all the way down the corner. That gutter got overwhelmed with rain and then of course the dirt and everything. In fact, when we came here and looked at that, there was a small tree growing out of that gutter. We're removing the rot, trying to get down to some good sound wood. And then where we have marked with tape in between are just other areas that we're looking at as it comes down. But that rot traveled all the way down to the bottom corner down here, and again was caused specifically by the gutter and downspout failing. A really simple way to find log rot is just tapping on the wood. So we get up there and we start tapping between where here's solid, here's not. And we just kind of mark the area. You can see that the water just flowed right down like that. So all we're doing, we're marking these areas to like we're gonna go in there and take a closer look at it and see what kind of repairs we might do. This log right there is a very small spot there. Like that might be a little bit of an epoxy repair versus that being a whole reface right there. So it's just different kinds of approaches that we take to the different areas.